What's up, guys? LT Fishing 26. We're out at this creek today, pan fishing for really whatever bites. Yesterday I was here, caught creek chubs, shiners, bluegills, a whole bunch of different things. I'm gonna see if we can catch some today too. What's up, guys? Got one. Oh, it's a bluegill. Look at this little dude. This is a bluegill. Take it. For a fish. Man, the water's cold. That's the little guy here. Back in the water. Ugh. Got him all the way on the other side. Make sure to put that back when you're done.
What?
That box.
Yeah, I got you.
Because I don't want that falling in the water.
Oh, jeez. What is this?
Same for your mom.
Show the camera what he has in his tackle box.
Swim bait.
No, that ain't no swim bait.
That is literally a swim
What
bait.
is that? Why do you have a jig head?
It's a jig head. I'm not going to throw that weight.
Swim bait.
I'm not throwing that without a weight.
This looks a little weird.
That is not weird. That's literally how you're supposed
It
to
is
do it.
weird.
How else am I supposed to do it?
I don't know.
Exactly.
What? Is that a problem? No. You better not be recording. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, no. Oh, my bad. Well, record me on getting you sued. Oh, my bad. It's not recording. You gotta tell me the camera. You identify the recording? Identify the recording. Why? Why did you
What'd you say?
Oh, that one? Yeah. You just Yo, Luke, what? You got my ID. You got my
We need to get the red one.
What?
The kid in the red. We need to get him.
Damn. Oh.
What? All right, guys, we're at a new spot here. Still a little, about 50 feet away from the bridge or so. Right next to this big log. Oh, I got one. Had a bite. Oh, maybe not. Might have been a stick.
Moving stick. Right here. Sitting spot basically a little farther down.
Yeah. Trying to catch some. Oh,
There you go. That's a nice one.
this might be a shiner.
Oh, that's a nasty shiny.
It's a good shiner right here. This is very good catfish and bass bait right here. Amazing. Propped right out. Let's get the release. There he goes. Like and subscribe.
There you go. Legit.
And then
Legit.
like and subscribe for part 2 if you guys are liking this so far.
And here look at the gar too, because there's gar down here.
Yeah, we've caught gar down here, but it's not like it when it's a little colder. So it's kind of like a little ledge right here. So it's not deep, but it's deep for a creek. We're slightly twitching our bobbers like you would for crappie minnows, giving the worm a little more movement. There's a log right there. I'm gonna try to.
Ice fishing.
No.
Oh, sorry. Switch spots.
Switch spots? Okay.
Yeah, smokes.
I wonder if there's smallmouth in here.
I guarantee there is. Gotta be, right?
Got him. Oh, a little pumpkin seed.
That's a sunfish.
Cool little guy. You got one? You have one? Set hook. Set hook. Might have one. No? Pumpkin seed, probably my favorite fish out of the sunfish family.
This looks really cool.
It's a little tiny guy. I caught one probably about triple the size of this yesterday. That's exactly where I caught him. Yeah. They're a little deeper than they were yesterday, though, so.
What is it called?
It is slightly colder than yesterday. Oh, my bobber is going under very slow. Yep. Here, you want to grab the worms on my back? All right, got the worm on the hook. Got it back out there. I want to climb on those branches someday.
I guarantee it's.
And then just,
Is it smallmouth anyway?
dude, I guarantee you in the winter, they're all like just chilling under there. How much you want to bet? There's so many fish just under there in the,
Probably go across them.
oh, I gotta be careful, there's a log. I don't like that cast anyways, I'm gonna free cast. Here we go.
Oh. Hanging on by his intestines.
What?
There we go.
Oh God, big fish, big fish, big fish, big fish.
Oh, that's a bass. It's a bass.
No, this is not a bass. I don't know what this, no, this is not a bass. Oh, it's a sucker, let's go.
It's a sucker.
That's cool.
It's stuck on a bench.
Bro, get it off, get it off. Bro, what are you doing? Oh yeah, look at this guy.
You can't tell there's not a good bass in the water.
I knew it wasn't a bass, it's too shiny. This is a weird looking fish. There we go. Probably the best fish of the day for sure. Let's get it. We should get a picture of him really quick.
Dun, dun, dun.
I don't think I've caught one. I don't think I've caught a sucker yet.
Dun, dun.
One of these.
Yes, you have.
I probably have, but
I have.
well, not this big.
So smile.
All right, guys. Best fish of the day so far. Let's get the release. Here we go.
Hasn't took that fish home.
There he goes. Those are, that's probably good. It's probably good catfish bait. On the little worm.
Look at that legit.
Like right out there.
You bob it a little higher. Move it up a little bit. Probably wait keep on.
You got your fish, Tom. Come on now. I was just barely twitching it. Everyone's screaming.
Little kid.
I know.
Oh,
Cast
okay,
further out.
yes, I know. Ooh. Why is the dog talking?
Why are those kids screaming so
They're on the
much?
4 wheels.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
fine.
look on the side. The guy on the 4 wheels. Where's the next one? And that guy? Yeah. Oh. Here they come, then.
Some kids are riding on a four-wheeler.
Oh, that, it does seem pretty fun, though.
Oh, got a little bite, not a little nibble.
Oh, that's why I can't cast far.
Why?
I'm not in my line.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a little bit.
That's gonna suck to get out.
Yeah, I think it looks like a fall. Oh, yeah.
Didn't get one bite.
Not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna bite. I got knots.
Dude, I thought that was a really big great chub when I hooked that sucker.
That ain't no creek job.
I know. I was like, whoa. It looked like it looked like one. Where are the worms? Oh, right there. I'm gonna take this bag off. Oh, there we go. We should move up in a second, up on the grass, and try to fish that brush pile over there. I think I'm getting a bite. Maybe not. No, that might have been stuck on a branch. Dude, I caught like 6 fish off that brush pile yesterday. In like 3 minutes. Yeah, I was here yesterday. I told you that.
With you?
Yeah.
The ginger?
Ginger.
Did you make a video?
Did I? Yep. I was gonna. I forgot my GoPro. Alright, catch you guys when we get another bite. That was probably a log.
No, I swear I saw it there.
Alright, got this new spot here.
Tom just missed one.
Tom missed one.
Oh, good guy. Seems like a good guy.
Might have been a little bass.
Really a creek job.
Yeah, or a decent creek chub. Creek chubs would eat that. Oh, I had one. Oh, I have him. I still have him. There we go. Please don't be in your throat. Let's go. It's the little high green gill. Right there, little guy.
Let me see him. I want to see him.
Here we go.
A green gill, guys. It's a green gill.
You know what that is?
Nope.
The mix between like a green sunfish and a bluegill. Creek fishing is really actually kind of fun.
Yeah, especially when you catch stuff.
Well, you've had multiple bites. You just weren't paying attention.
Yeah, I never paid attention. Imagine Luke trying to fish. That would not be good.
Luke? Yeah, he would never catch a fish. He'd be distracted. He'd be like, whoa, that's cool dirt bike in that place.
How would you fool me? Gosh, big lake on it. I think it was one of that log.
It's kind of deep right here. It's like very deep right here, actually. Oh yeah, but be careful. Don't make sure you get on the log. Don't get on the log though. Go slower than that. Yeah, like that. Oh, got one. Got him.
Finally.
Oh, don't get in the log. Let's go. You got him? Oh, rock bass.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, another pumpkin seed.
That's not fast.
Doubled up.
Oh, I didn't say.
Let's go.
Ooh.
Nice, really
that
cool looking pumpkin seed here.
Nice little rock bass.
Nice rock bass there. Doubled up. Should we
We
release?
have a vote. Vote in the comments which one's better, rock bass or the sucker.
Or the... You know which one's better.
I rock bass more.
They're fun to catch.
Oopsies. Two in the mud. There you go, buddy. Yeah.
Alrighty, see if we can catch some more. Tom, how many species did we caught? That's my question. We caught a bluegill, caught a sucker, rock bass, pumpkin seed, green gill, and a hybrid. Oh, got one.
And oh, you hopped over the log. You hopped over the log.
Another pumpkin seed, looks like. I think pumpkin seed.
That's it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Pumpkins? I love pumpkin
What
seeds.
was I thinking? I saw it go into the freaking water, too.
There he is.
Dang.
Oh, Tom, you're snagged.
I did it again.
Are you gonna full send or are you gonna go back and get a new one?
I'm gonna send it. But after, yeah, I'm not gonna go that far though, because I don't want to get away after this.
Go far enough that you can just like, here, you good? Yeah. There you go. Got another one.
Probably pumpkin seed.
I know, there's so many over
Found a
there.
spot.
All right, you found the new pumpkin seed spot. Right here.
What's the difference of a pumpkin seed and the green sunfish?
Pumpkin seeds more colors. You know that.
No. The green sunfish looks the same.
That does not look the same.
Yeah.
And they have a bigger mouth too. There's another green sun or another pumpkin seed.
On my foot. I'm going to be mad.
Your mom's gonna be mad. She got mud.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah.
It's cold. Holy shoot, man. Oh, that was mean.
Oh, I got another bite. Oh, got him. There's a crap ton of them over there. It's a bluegill, I think, this time. Yeah, it's a bluegill. Oh, this would be such good live bait. Dude, imagine fishing here at night for catfish and gar. Oh, that'd be crazy. Nice little bluegill. How cold is the water?
Too cold.
Too cold?
That's pretty cold.
Oh, got another bite.
No. I want to take that spot from you, man.
You're gonna get snagged on that log, though.
Yeah.
Well, I'll go try. I'll try to catch some rock bass. That'd be cool.
I like that stuff more than what's on the bluegill. So can I put some rock bass? Oops. Oh, I slipped.
Are you under? Okay. Oh, I'm getting a call. Oh, we'll get you guys in a second. Alright, I moved on top of this little branch right here. And there's a big log coming out. Right about there. See if I can pull something off that. Oh, got a bite. Oh, Tom, there's bass over here. One just hit top water. Yeah. I don't really know how to get over there. There we go. See if they'll go for a worm. Oh. Got one. Not sure what it is, but. Oh, little bluegill. There we go. We'll try to go for one more fish. That was very close. All right, one more fish. Please be a green sunfish, even though I think it's a bluegill. It's a bluegill. Perfect, because I'm out of bait. It's time to go. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Oh, he's a chunk out of him. He has a chunk out of him. Right there. Look at that. Anyways, guys, make sure to like and subscribe for more creek fishing videos, and see you guys next time.